Glad to see you guys this time. This is Alex. So hereby I would like to summarize about our products, mainly about our product range. And because after you have watched so many products, you will wondering which product is suitable for you and which product it will be easy to sell and if it is suitable to your own market. So let's start one by one. Firstly is self-adhesive Lvt flooring, and secondly is dry back, 2 mm dry back, then click Lvt and loose lay Lvt. This is a mature product and has been in the market for so many years. The most of the advantage is the soft of Lvt flooring because it includes more PVC resin inside. It can be different from the different installation way. For example, peel and stick, they are also called self-adhesive. For this one, it can be installed in a room. Mainly, this is used for a room or house for renting and just to renovate it easily. And the cost is very low. It's cheap. It's a cheap product. Lvt flooring use glue, also called glue down. So you can install it with glue at back and install it on the flooring. So it's usually also for a rent room or some low-cost apartments. Some people will purchase this, and this one is normally thicker than self-adhesive Lvt flooring. The class is a little bit higher. Then it comes to the Lvt click flooring. The difference is the thickness and the installation method. It's a floating installation, so it's thicker, so the feeling is better. And it's very easy to install, no glue at back, just installed with the click on the flooring and one by one. We have different click styles, click systems like Unilink click, Velink click, and FF click. Also used for renovate your home or used for to furnish your home. And the loose lay product with a special pattern at back, so we just put it on the ground directly. It's a very easy DIY product. The installation is the easiest. So and the cost is higher. So we can know if we list a class, the lowest class is self-adhesive or peel and stick. Then it comes to the dry back, and it's higher comes to the Lvt click flooring. Then come to the loose lay flooring. The installation and the thickness also go step up one by one. So we can see Lvt has come to the market for very long years. WPC is as a generation of Mspc flooring with the core with the surface of a thin Lvt, then the core with WPC core. It will bring a very strong feeling of the flooring because the thickness. Normally the thickness is 6 mm and 8 mm, and the feeling of the whole plank is like a real wood, like a solid wood flooring. And easy to install, also waterproof. But as we said, the structure of WPC flooring is a bit different, and the production is different. So the cost of WPC flooring will be higher, but it's most softer and most close to the feeling of real wood flooring. Then it comes to the Mspc flooring. As we said just now, Mspc flooring is also an evolution of Lvt flooring. It's changed the core and the production method of it and increased the ratio of the stone pounder. So in the end, the performance of the stability is much better than Lvt flooring. If put it in the test of putting it in, for example, 80 degrees over 4 hours, it's more stable. Then it's gonna come to our new product, latest new product. It's Mspc flooring. Developed based on Mspc flooring and increase the surface with overlay or with super anti-scratch overlay. So when it comes to the installation area, we can see So WPC flooring can be installed with high standard or high requirement condo or apartments or house because people would like soft feeling and with a thicker flooring. As we know, the thicker the flooring is, the step feeling is much better. Then come to SPC flooring. SPC flooring, I think it can be a replacement of LVT click flooring with super easy click and the high performance of stability. It can be a middle range of the flooring materials for the plank flooring and materials. And then come to Mspc flooring, enhance the surface of SPC flooring and make it super anti-scratch. I suggest to use this Mspc flooring in the commercial areas like the offices, like banks, like restaurants. Then enhance the durability of the flooring and make the lifetime much longer than normal LVT or normal SPC flooring. This is for a product for clients who want super durability and super anti-scratch. After my words, I think you will have a better understanding about our products and how the products and where the product to be installed and where to install the right products and how you can choose your product to sell in your own market. If for more details, you can contact our sales and contact the sales in our Alibaba site directly. Bye bye.